Today we'll master the art of debate writing. Welcome to my channel Wheel of Wisdom. Let's begin. A debate is a formal discussion where two opposing sides present their arguments on a given topic, one for and the other against. Stick to this format, start with a title, respectfully address the audience, introduce yourself and your stance, give strong arguments, include counterpoints, and end powerfully. Use a persuasive tone. Write in the first person. Use rhetorical questions, stats, even anecdotes to drive your point home. Let's take an example. Should social media be banned for teenagers? Arjun will speak for the motion, Meera against. Begin with a respectful greeting and clearly state your stance. Now present your arguments with examples and data. Don't forget to address a counterpoint and dismiss it logically. Wrap up confidently and politely. Now let's hear the opposing view from Meera. Bring in your counter-narrative with strong reasoning and proof. Here are a few tips to make your debate writing stand out. To recap, remember the format, persuasive tone, balanced arguments, and a sharp conclusion. Download the full sample debate from the link below. Like, share and subscribe to Wheel of Wisdom.